Yeah, so these are my working tools and materials: blue twine, then black twine, my scissors, my lighter, buckle, then my crochet hook size 1. So I'll be using two of black and blue twine, then two of black twine. I will join four of them together. Yeah, I've already shown how I prepared this sole, as in how I cut my insole, crochet shoe insole, and how I crochet on shoe sole, as in how to fix the insole and the sole together. So go check my previous video. I've already shown how to prepare the sole. So I'll be working on size 41, that's it. So I've already taken my measurement. So I will show you how I got these measurements. So I know I'm working on size 41, but I will use size 40 lax. It won't take the actual distance, but just know is that this sole is wedge sole, and it has some curve here. That's it. So when I place this in, it seems to be 40, but it's not 40. It's 41, but I can use last. This is last. That is what it's called last. So I'll be starting from here, this particular point, and end here for this side. Then this other side, I've already taken my measurements. You can see it from here to end here. That's it. So let's start. Like I said, I'll be using two blue, you can see it, and two black. So you make your knot like this. That's it. Then I'll start from here. Then make 25 chains. 25 chains. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So continue to make 25 chains. You can see it. So you fix here. Then you make a slip stitch. Then on the next stitch, you make single crochet and turn. So once you turn, you skip the 2 stitches on the sew. 1, 2. Then single crochet on the 25 chains you made. So continue working to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So once you crochet on the last stitch, then you single crochet on the first stitch of the sew. So you can see how I take this in. Take it inside. Then on the next stitch of the sew, single crochet again. That's it. So you turn. So once you turn, you skip 1 stitch, single crochet on the next. On the next stitch, so you continue working single crochet. So you continue working. Once you crochet on the last stitch here, you crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Turn, skip 1 stitch and continue working. So once you reach here, you do the same thing. So you work more 3 rows of single crochet. As in, I'm now on the second row. So after working the second row, you work more 3 rows, making it 5 rows. 5 rows. Yeah, you can see it. I'm now on the 5th row. So at the end of 5th row, we are going to make this one. So you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew, this and this. On the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next. So here we're going to crochet on 4 stitches now. So this is the first one. 1, next stitch, 2, next stitch, 3, next stitch, 4. That's it. So you make 1 chain, tighten it and make 1 chain, then you turn. So once you turn, crochet down. Then at the end here, you crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew, then you crochet back up. So at the end, make 1 chain, then you cut it off. Then you light it up. Then after working this, you turn to the opposite side, this other side. So here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we start from this fourth hole. Make one chain. On the same stitch, you make a single crochet. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. On the next stitch, single crochet. On the next stitch, single crochet. Then after that, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Then you single crochet up back. Yeah, after working on 2 stitches of the sew, you turn, skip 1 stitch, crochet on the next stitch. So once you crochet on this last stitch now, you make one chain and walk down. Single crochet on first 2 stitches of the sew, then walk up again. Yeah, you can see it, I have 3 rows here. 1, 2, 3. So the same thing here, 3 rows. 1, 2, and 3. So on the 4th row, I have to join 2 of them together. So you start walking up. So I'm now on the 4th row. So after crocheting on the last stitch here, so I'm going to make 6 chains. 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's it. So once you make 6 chains, count out 6 holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you start from the next stitch. Like I said. That's it. So you continue working until it remains 6 holes here. Yeah, you can see it's remaining 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you make another 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you crochet from here. You make one single crochet. Then on the next stitch, continue working. Then at the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. On the next stitch, single crochet. So you can see it now. That's it. So once you turn, you skip 1 stitch, then turn. You work 5 rows of single crochet. 5 rows of single crochet. So remember, once you crochet on the last stitch here, work on 2 stitches on the sew. Turn, skip 1, and continue working on the next one. So work 5 rows of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So we repeat the same thing we did here. We repeat it here, but here we crochet on 7 stitches. Just watch out what. Skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. 1 on the next stitch. Oh, sorry. On the next stitch. 2 on the next stitch. 3 on the next stitch. 4 on the next stitch. 5 on the next stitch. 6 on the next stitch. 7. Then after working 7 stitches, you make 1 chain. Then you walk down. Then you walk more 2 rows. Here at the end, make 1 chain. Then you cut it off. Yeah, you can see it. So you repeat the same thing this side. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you start from here. So you walk down the same thing we did here. You walk down, walk 3 rows. I'm now on the 4th rows on this one. So on this 4th rows, at the end here, you make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then after working 7 chains, you count out 7 stitches here. 1, 2, 3. Let me be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'll crochet on the 8th stitch. Single crochet. So on the next stitch, continue working. So continue working until it remains 7 stitches here. So yeah, it's remaining 6 stitches here. 7 stitches. So you make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then you single crochet from here. You make it tight. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. So you walk down to this point, then make single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Yeah, you can see it. So you walk up to this point. Then you continue working on the 7 chains. So you continue working till you work 5 rows. The same thing we did here. You work 5 rows of single crochet. Here is it. So at the end, single crochet on the 2 stitches of the sew, first 2 stitches, then you turn. So we are going to work this. You can see this design here. So we create this. Then you turn. Once you turn, skip the first stitch, start from the next stitch. So you single crochet on 11 stitches. 11 stitches. Then after crocheting on the 11th chain, you make 1 chain. 11 stitch, you make 1 chain and turn. So you work more 4 rows. More 4 rows. Yeah, so at the end you make 1 chain. Then you cut it off. So you repeat the same thing this other side. So you crochet from this 11th stitch. You work 5 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So I have 5 rows here and then 5 rows here. So now I'm on the 6th row of this. So you walk up. So you walk up to this point. So once you reach here, you make 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue working till you make 20 chains. Yeah, after working your 20 chains, then you single crochet here. Then you make single crochet. You tighten it. On the next stitch, continue working single crochet down. So at the end, you could single crochet on 2 stitches of the sew, then turn back. So here we're going to work 8 rows. 8 rows of single crochet on this now. So you can see it. Then you finish up. So here we are going to make a slip knot. Then you tighten it. Then you make 1 chain. So then you light it up. Yeah, so the next thing now is our belt. So we're starting from here. So So you count out 5 stitches from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then start on the 6th one. So I've already made my knot. Then you walk 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So continue walking till you walk. So after walking your 51 chains, you can see it. Then you start walking down. So you walk like this. Skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. Single crochet. So you continue walking. So at the end, you're going to single crochet on the first 2 stitches here. So you single crochet here first. Then on the next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, yeah, you skip the 2 stitches, 1, 2. Then you continue crocheting from the next. So continue working on the 50 chains, 50 holes we have. So no increase, no reduction. So you continue working to the end of the stitch. Then at the end, you make 1 chain and turn back. So once you reach here, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches here. Turn and skip the 2 stitches. Then continue working. So continue working till you work more 6 rows. We've done 1. So you work more 6 rows, making it 7 rows. Yeah, you can see it. So after working, you can see it. 6 rows. So here we fix our buckle here. I see my buckle. So go check my channel. I have already shown how to crochet on shoe buckle. So my previous video, go and check it there. So we fix it here like this. So just stitch it round. So make sure you count out 5 stitches from here, then stitch round. Yeah, you can see it. So you buckle it. Yeah, you can see it. Please subscribe to this channel. Also like and share to your friends. That's it. Thank you.